Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update Google Play, sign into the exact account linked to your Epic rewards, and enable Play notifications so drops reach you. Once done, open Epic's event page inside the Play app or the Epic overlay. You need the active event window to register. Make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi and battery above 20% to avoid interruptions, and verify region settings match the event eligibility. This gets you to the first live eligibility check. Now you join the drop. Navigate to the event page and watch the clock. When the join or claim button becomes active, tap it immediately. You must stay in the Play app while the join transaction completes. Backgrounding can cancel eligibility. If prompted, approve any permissions or confirmation dialogues. These often complete the claim handshake. Once the app confirms entry, wait for the reward distribution time noted on the event page and monitor notifications for success or follow-up steps. Finally, when rewards drop, you check the Play library and your Epic account inventory. Rewards sometimes appear as redeemable codes or direct items. If nothing appears, force close play, clear cache, sign out and back in, then recheck. This often forces the delivery record to sync. If still missing, gather the event ID and timestamp, then contact Google Play support with those details so they can trace the transaction. One troubleshooting tip: retry while on stable Wi-Fi to avoid partial delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.